Hello, Apple Valley. I'm Mayor Scott Nassif with a weekly update, and I hope this message finds you safe and healthy. Last week, the town hosted a drive-through testing event in partnership with San Bernardino County Public Health. We're glad that we could lend our part and share our staff with the county to host this important local testing event that is an important step to the road to economic and social recovery. Nearly 500 residents were tested, and we wish them the best. I'd also like to share St. Mary's Medical Center announced they are the first high desert medical facility to work with LifeStream Blood Bank in screening plasma of recovered COVID-19 patients. The plasma contains donor antibodies and through transfusion fights the virus in patients still battling the disease. This is an experimental treatment led by the Mayo Clinic and is reserved primarily for the sickest patients who've exhausted all other medical options. To learn more about this potential life-saving treatment or to donate plasma, please call the hospital at 760-242-2311, extension 8361. We couldn't be more proud of our local hospital staff and frontline nurses and doctors who show up each and every day to fight this pandemic and care for the sick. We wish you health and strength. Thank you. As a reminder, we've reopened the golf course and tennis courts. Unlike many urban areas with dense populations that have closed their parks due to overcrowding, the town's 11 parks with plenty of open space and golf course can be enjoyed if safe physical social distancing is exercised. At this time, town events through May have been canceled. This includes a day of prayer, concerts in the courtyard, rock and flea market, and neighborhood cleanup day. Playgrounds and exercise equipment remain closed, and group activities or games must be avoided. This week, I want to encourage you to stay vigilant. There is a movement afoot to reopen sooner rather than later. We must remain cautiously optimistic, but continue to stay the course. At this time, while a great majority of Americans have recovered from the virus, more than 60,000 have lost their lives. That growing number will prove to be far worse than the seasonal flu. Ripping the Band-Aid off too soon can leave us exposed to a longer, more painful road to healing. This week, the governor outlined a California roadmap to recovery. You can learn more at gov.ca.gov. And in summary, there are 4 stages to reopening. We are in stage 1, safety and preparedness. We must continue to test, use personal protective equipment, monitor hospital capacity, make the workplace as safe as possible, and ease into expanding the workforce. The governor suggested we are just weeks away from stage 2, where we open low-risk workspaces such as manufacturing, offices, and retail spaces that can be operated with social distancing measures. Stage 3 is likely a few months out. This is when we can open up high-risk workplaces with adaptations and limits on sizes of gatherings for things like personal care, hair and nail salons, gyms, entertainment venues, movie theaters, live sports with no audience, and personal religious services, churches, and weddings. When therapeutics have been developed, the stay-at-home order will end, signaling stage 4. This is further down the road, but we're looking forward to this stage when we'll be able to reopen high-risk workplaces, convention centers, concert venues, and sports arenas. In closing, please be resilient, Apple Valley. We are moving in the right direction. Thank you for staying home and slowing the spread. Please encourage others to do likewise. United we stand. As a reminder, if you have general questions about the coronavirus, including the number of cases or county health orders, please call the county directly at 909-387-3911 or visit sbcovid19.com. And although the town hall is closed to the public, staff is still available to answer your calls at 760-240-7000 or via email at info@applevalley.org. Be well, and thank you, Apple Valley.